Scientific Notation in Linear Equations, Lessons 4 through 7 review. Questions 23 through 25. For 23, we are to determine which XY table can be used to make the graph below. So I want to see, do the ordered pairs they give me fall on the graph? So let's start with -4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, does -4, 4 fall on the graph? It sure does. So let's put a check mark beside that. All right, let's look at the next one. 0, 2. Does that point fall on the graph? It sure does, so put a check mark there. The next one is 4, 4. Does that point fall on the graph? No, it does not. So we're going to cross out that point and cross out A. All right. Tell you what, I'll just put these beside each. All right. For B, -4, -3. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Well, that point clearly does not fall on the line. So pen does not want to work today. Cross out the -4, -3. That point doesn't work. Cross out B. And then I'm going to go ahead and delete those. All right, -6, 5. So -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it looks like our first point here, -6, 5, does fall on the graph. So put a check mark. -3, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Does that point fall on the graph? No, it's right below it. So -3, 3 does not work. So it looks like D is our answer, but do not just circle that and say, yep, we're right. You need to check and make sure the points fall on the line. And the points, I want you to plot the points on the line. So -6, 5, we know falls on the line because it did for the last problem. -2, 3. That falls on the line. 6, -1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. -1. And that point does fall on the graph. So put check marks beside each of these. And D is our answer. So find the XY table where all 3 points fall on the line. And in this case, it is D. All right, for 24 and 25, we are to find the slope. The slope formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So for 24, y2 is 5 minus y1 is 8. x2 is 10 minus x1, which is -8. So we're going to put that in the calculator exactly how it looks, starting with the fraction button. 5 minus 8 over 10 minus negative 8. So 5 minus 8 over 10 minus negative 8. And we want fractions here, no decimals. So that would be negative 1/6. Again, I don't know if you heard me say, no decimals. So pause your video, write that down. For questions 24, 25, 26, 27, no decimals. All right, 25. y2 is negative 9 minus y1, which is 11. x2 is negative 6 minus x1, which is 2. Start with the fraction button. Negative 9 minus 11 over negative 6 minus 2. And we get 5/2. So, again, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Did you get that written down? And then you just put the numbers into the formula, put it in your calculator, and solve. Again, no decimals for these slopes. All right, if you have any questions on 23 through 25, please let me know.